Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Eufy Homebase is probably one of the most sought-after smart home hubs on the market, offering a seamless and intuitive control center for all your smart devices. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, performance, and overall user experience, helping you decide if it's the right smart home solution for your needs, exploring its setup process, app integration, compatibility with other devices, and of course, its reliability and overall value for the price. Number 5. Eufy Security S220 Video Doorbell. It provides smart human detection and real-time alerts, ensuring you're informed of important activity. You can customize the alert zones for your specific needs. With its 2K sensor and professional-grade lens, it delivers superior video quality, capturing every detail day and night. Experience sharp, clear footage in any lighting conditions. It offers robust security with no monthly fees. Local data storage keeps your footage accessible and your costs down. The 4:3 aspect ratio gives you a head-to-toe view of anyone approaching. Enjoy complete coverage without blind spots. It offers a long battery life of up to 180 days on a single charge. For continuous power, you can also connect it to a wired power source. What we like. It boasts an impressive 180-day battery life, meaning less frequent charging. The 2K resolution ensures crystal clear footage, capturing every detail. If you value reliable security without ongoing costs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The setup was easy. The video quality is pretty good, not cinema quality, but good enough to recognize people at the edge of the detection range. The detection area works well. No false alarms from wildlife or people walking by just outside of the set detection area. The app for your smartphone works well and is intuitive. The app makes it as easy to manage your device settings and see who is at your door. Yes, the app utilizes the internet to notify you and send you a video, but I can disable that feature and the videos are stored locally on the base unit, not in the cloud. Number 4. Eufy Security S220 Doorbell. See every detail with its 2K resolution. It's 2.5 times clearer than standard definition, giving you a perfect view of your visitors. Choose the power option that suits you best. Enjoy up to 6 months of battery life on a single charge, or opt for a wired connection for continuous operation. Its unique 4:3 aspect ratio shows your visitors from head to toe. You'll get a complete picture of who's at the door. It works perfectly with your existing Eufy Homebase system, Homebase 1, 2, 3, or E. Expand your home security network effortlessly. Setting it up is a breeze. Follow the simple instructions and you'll be enjoying enhanced security in minutes. What we like. This one provides stunning 2K video quality for exceptional clarity. It's incredibly easy to install, getting you up and running in minutes. If you already have a Homebase and want a simple, high-quality addition to your system, this is it. What people say. Very sharp video, microphone picks up sound very well, human recognition mode nearly flawless and have only had 2 alerts to non-human movement in the 6 months it's been installed. Easy installation and synchronization with the Homebase, great amount of options for customization preferences, very fast response from the time it detects until it notifies you, 95% of the time, and it was a good infrared lighting system when needed. The connection to my existing account was seamless. Great product. Number 3. Eufy Security Indoor Cam E220 Cam Kit. This 2-camera kit provides comprehensive home security with crystal clear 2K video. It's easy to set up and integrate seamlessly with your smart home ecosystem. It intelligently distinguishes between humans and pets, recording only important events. This ensures you only receive alerts for actual threats, not just your cat walking by. See every detail with 2K resolution video. You'll get a clear picture of what's happening in your home, day or night. Control it all with your voice using Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. It's designed for effortless integration into your existing smart home setup. It automatically tracks and follows movement, providing a complete view of the room. Pan 360 degrees horizontally and tilt 96 degrees vertically for total coverage. Speak directly to anyone in view of the camera. It's perfect for checking in on family or deterring unwanted visitors. What we like. It intelligently distinguishes between humans and pets, recording only relevant events. You'll get 2K resolution video for detailed footage. If you're looking for smart home integration and precise event recording, this is a great option. What people say. Easy setup, good resolution, easy to use, night vision is amazing, letting you see a pitch black room even just in black and white. The picture is extremely sharp even in low light, and the two-way sound is perfect as well. The camera quality is good at 2K. They have a nice wide field of view. The picture quality is great. They zoom, have an alarm on them, and you can speak and listen through them as well, via the app. Number 2. Eufy SoloCam S340. It captures every detail in stunning 3K resolution. See everything clearly, even from 50 feet away with 8x zoom. It's designed for worry-free operation. The removable solar panel keeps it running constantly, so you always have protection. It provides complete home coverage. With 360 degrees viewing and pan and tilt, there are no more blind spots. It's incredibly easy to set up. Get it installed and running in just 5 minutes, thanks to its compact, wire-free design. It offers secure local storage. Enjoy peace of mind with no monthly fees or hidden costs. It's a one-time purchase. It offers advanced features. Experience AI tracking and dual views for enhanced security, though resolution will be 2K for these modes. What we like. This camera is solar-powered, eliminating the need for constant charging. It offers 360 degrees surveillance, ensuring complete home coverage. If you want hassle-free, comprehensive outdoor security without monthly fees, choose this one. What people say. The solar-powered feature is a huge plus because I don't have to worry about battery life or charging. The video quality is crystal clear, both during the day and at night, and the motion detection is accurate without too many false alerts, with the exception of my Halloween decorations. The installation process is via an automated wizard that's activated by your mobile phone's Eufy app, and it's terrific. It walks you through every step of the installation, and I've never had a problem installing a cam. Besides clear two-way talk, sharp images and fast response on events, I am very happy with this solar camera because it picks up Wi-Fi signal very well at distances. Number 1. Eufy Security Floodlight Cam S330. Get complete peace of mind with the new Eufy Security Floodlight Cam S330. It offers 360 degrees coverage and crystal clear 2K video, ensuring you never miss a thing. It rotates 360 degrees horizontally, eliminating blind spots and giving you a comprehensive view of your property. Enjoy complete coverage and worry-free security. See every detail with its 2K Full HD resolution. Experience sharp, clear video for reliable monitoring day and night. It automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature based on your schedule and motion detection. Enjoy customizable lighting to suit your needs. The built-in AI intelligently tracks moving people, ensuring that important events are always captured. It keeps a focused view on the subject. It boasts powerful 3000 lumen floodlights, deterring intruders and providing excellent night vision. Even at night, it captures full-color recordings. It offers all these advanced features without any recurring subscription fees. Enjoy comprehensive security without the added cost. What we like. It features 360 degrees pan and tilt, providing complete coverage. The 2K Full HD video ensures you won't miss a thing. If you desire top-notch security with smart lighting features, this is your best bet. What people say. Video quality is clear, sharp even in poor lighting conditions, e.g. light shining directly in the camera. Frame rate is 25 frames per second, very smooth video of my kids playing. The Eufy Security Floodlight Cam 330 is a powerful outdoor security camera that combines 4K Ultra HD video with dual ultra-bright LED floodlights for enhanced visibility and monitoring. It offers motion detection, two-way audio, and real-time notifications via the Eufy app. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.